channel, Tips and Kids KBK. And today we are going to be trying out this new vegan hairline, and I'm so excited to do it. I really want to try it because it's made for curly hair, which I have. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So let's get started onto the video. Okay, so I took my braids out, so we're ready to go. So first we're going to be doing a sea kelp. It's a curl cleanser. So basically this is like the first step, like shampoo. And you can use this on like little girls that has curly hair like me, and adults.
The next step is the green tea hair rinse. It smells really good. Leave it in for a few seconds and then wash it with cold water. The next step is the bamboo protein treatment. This was so hard to squeeze out with my little hands. Definitely didn't think about a child doing this.
I got it.
Make sure you get it evenly on all your strands. You're gonna leave this next step in your hair. The last and final product is the avocado hair mousse. I thought it was going to be like normal hair mousse, but it's actually like liquidy.
Okay, so I'm all done brushing. Normally my mom likes to like finger curl my hair. If you don't know what that is, it's like finger curling it with your finger, but making pretty curls, even though it is pretty curly. So for this video, it's my first time trying out this line, so I wanted to see what it looks like drying naturally. So I'm gonna like let it air dry, and I'll see you when it's dry. Bye!
Guys, oh my god, it's so like bouncy. I love it. It just feels so good. I love flipping it. I love it. Make sure you subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up. Don't give me a thumbs down. Please give me a thumbs up. I love my hair so much. It's so bouncy. I love it so much. I hope you guys try this if you do have curly hair. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.